Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's tutorial we are going to understand one of the most important topic in Salesforce CRM, that is the difference between Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Many beginners get confused because both part of Salesforce both work on the same platform and both deal with customers, but the actual purpose of each cloud is completely different. So in this video we will understand what is Sales Cloud exactly it is, what is Service Cloud, key difference between them, real-time business examples, when actually companies use each cloud, and finally how when organization use both together. By the end of this tutorial, you will clearly understand which cloud is used for sales process and which cloud is used for customer support. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So I will go with one PPT presentation, then it will more easier to understand. I will start with what are sales cloud and service cloud. First, let's understand basic idea. Salesforce has many products called clouds. Among them, the most popular are Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. So now let's understand them one by one. So Sales Cloud, the purpose is the Sales Cloud is mainly designed for sales teams. Its goal is simple: help companies to find the customers, manage the deals, and close the deals faster. In real companies, Sales Cloud is used by sales representative, account executives, business development teams, sales managers. So basically, before a customer buy a product, Sales Cloud handle all those activities. Then move to Service Cloud. So Service Cloud means Service Cloud is designed for customer support teams. Its purpose is help companies to solve the customer issues and provide the better support after the sales is happened. So this cloud is used by only support agents, help desk teams, customer success managers, field technicians. So after the customer purchases something, Service Cloud takes over. For the service, we use Service Cloud. For the sales, we use Sales Cloud. Then we need to understand the core feature of this. So let's understand with real world example. Imagine a company selling laptops. So before purchase, customer asks for the product details. Sales teams follow-ups. Quotations are shared. Deals gets closed. All these activities happens in only Sales Cloud, not in Service Cloud. Now let's see the important features of Sales Cloud. Lead management. Sales Cloud helps to companies to capture and manage the leads automatically. For example, if someone fills a website form, Salesforce can create lead instantly. We will discuss these things before. And opportunity management. Once the lead becomes serious, it moves to an opportunity. Sales team can track deal stage, deal amount, probability of closing, expected close date. And the pipeline management. Managers can see the complete sales pipeline using Kanban view and dashboards. Forecasting. Sales Cloud also provides revenue forecasting. It predicts how much revenue the company may generate, like that. Then we need to move to Service Cloud. Service Cloud customer issues are stored as a cases. A cases may present in complaint, technical issues, refund request, and support query. Customer can contact support through the email, chat, phone, WhatsApp, any other social media. Service Cloud automatically routes the cases to the correct support agent. Field services. If the physical support is needed, technician can be dispatched using field service features. We need to go to next section, that is six main key difference. The first one is Sales Cloud is mainly focused on revenue generation. Service Cloud is mainly focused on customer support. Sales Cloud works before sales, used by sales teams, manage the leads and opportunities, tracking the pipelines, helps to close the deals, and it will helps to generate more revenue. When it comes to Service Cloud, it mainly focused on customer support or service, works after the sales, used by support teams, manage cases and tickets, helps in retain the customers. The main purpose of Service Cloud is to giving the support to customers after the sale is completed. Sales Cloud handles prospecting, lead management, opportunity management, and closing deals. Service Cloud handles onboarding, customer support, issues resolves, renewals. So together they cover the full customer life cycle. So then we need to understand when we actually use Sales Cloud. Companies choose Sales Cloud when your company focused on heavily on sales. You need pipeline tracking. You want forecasting. You manage leads and opportunities. When we need quote approvals. When we want sales analytics. In that time we will go with Sales Cloud. Then when we actually use the Service Cloud, when we need to run the customer support operations, when we want to handle the tickets and complaints, manage the field technicians. In that time, we will go with Service Cloud. So then we need to understand how company using this both together. Most large companies actually use these clouds in together. Because of why? Because sales teams and support teams need shared customer information. Example, sales team can view customer complaints. Support agents can view purchase history. So this creates a complete 360 degree of customer view. So it will more easier to understand our customers in better way. So that's why many organizations combine both for a complete CRM solution. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.